Hey everyone, good morning from Indonesia. It's a beautiful morning near to the a big river here in Pajalili. So today we're going on an excited journey through the lush golden fields during one of the most crucial times of the year, rice harvest season. Ever wondered how those tiny grains make their way from the field to your plate? Get ready to experience one of the most world's important crops in the world. This video has something special for you, so grab a seat and let's dive into the heart of the rice fields in Utu. So finally we reached to our destination, rice fields, golden rice fields. So right now, or I will head to the place where the machine or where the place that is currently working on, and I'm gonna show you the process and also the process of harvesting machine and also people what they are doing exactly in the area. Here, this is golden rice fields. There are many actually, and also there is people working, and over there is a harvesting machine. She's working right now, and there is other people helping the machine as well. So we're gonna head exactly to that area so we can see the local, and also we're gonna see the machine. So we're gonna head exactly to the place or to the harvesting machine so we can film some clips about the harvesting machine and also the rice field, because this is my first time came into the rice fields exactly at the harvesting season, because this is the harvesting season in Indonesia, so this is a great time to film this. Right now I'm trying to find the entrance to the exact rice field that people are working on, but when I try to across straight from this rice field, it seems like it's dangerous and it's not good, because there are many mud, because as usual the rice grows from mud and a lot of water, so it's not easy to cross from this field. So I'm gonna try to see if there is any safe entrance to the actual rice field. So rice looks like on the plants or in the rice field. That's why it calls golden rice fields, because this thing looks like golden and bright. As you see, if we take some from, and we're gonna find that it is actual rice. You see, this is actually a rice. My videos are always unscripted, so sometimes you will find there is many random things in my videos, and also sometimes you will find some random words that are not coherent, so excuse that. So maybe later we can do script and talk more about the area that we are going on, the history, and everything that related to the place. So this is like the rice fields after harvesting. They lie down the plants so they can be easy for the machine to grab it. And this is like after the harvesting. So you will still find some dead plants or something like that. So that's the difference actually. But before even, they are waiting for the plants till it's have like a golden look or a golden color. So then it seems that it's ready for harvesting. But if it's still green, like in the above, it's not ready yet for the harvesting. in here it seems like all the people are working together to make this harvesting successful. As I said now, I mean the machine and the people are working together so they can make this more successful. Sometimes you get surprises. I just come across a kid. He came to me. Actually, I say hi and he say hi back, and he speaks English. Actually, to find someone in Indonesia, especially in this area, in the village or in the mountain, that he can speak English, that's very interesting. Because even when I came to Indonesia, I find it difficult to communicate with people in English. So that's very surprising, actually. So I suppose the machine it needs two people, one driving the machine, and the second one like changing the. So the machine like I think they started in the morning, so they almost finish. Maybe 1 hour, 12 by finish. So this is like the bags from the machine, but it needs like two people, as I mentioned before, one driving and the other one like grabbing the bags when it's full. How the land looks like after harvesting. I suppose that they make it or they let the land dry first, then they try or they go for harvesting, because usually rice grows from the mud and the water, so it will not be the machine will not be able for to harvest. So I suppose they make it dry first, and then the machine can do its job. Suppose that in this area, for example, after the machine finish with the rice or after the man putting the bag side, I mean the jobs. I mean the other job for the motorcycle. The motorcycle must came and take the big bags, and I get a little surprised because you must have a specific skills for that, because as you see here, the man taking the bags. So I suppose that's all for today, because actually I arrived late, and because I mean the destination is very far. It's 5 hours, so I'm so tired. After that, I sleep 3 hours, so I don't have much to film all the process. So I just I gave you some captures or some clips that might give you an idea about rice fields and how they produce. I mean the rice fields, etc. So, but it's still it's enough for you. Maybe next time we give you more, inshallah. So stay tuned. Maybe next time when we have enough equipment, we will get you through all the process, start from the beginning until the end. Start from planting to harvesting. So it's a long process. I mean, I asked some locals. It took from, I mean, harvesting twice a year. So it takes a long time.